And so are the latest thing that is about to hit Ghana. We have to pray for Poloo as well.
Okay.
Because me who gang someone repuno and she was dead in pool of blood.
Wow.
There are people more planning to rape her. The obewu, obewu, a group of people be. More than 12 guys. They will rape her. She was in the pool of blood. You see, there are so many demonic things hanging on the nation. But we don't say this thing. You can't same way say, you can't because of say, you perceive a GD, you perceive. No. In painful say, one in chini for our same patodo.
First of all, I just saw a video on Zion Felix page of a pastor who said God has revealed to him that this and this will happen to me. I would like to say a big thanks to him for letting me know this. God bless him so much for this, because I wouldn't have known. But what I want to say too is, the God I serve, the living God, who always save me from the evil ones, will save me. Because I'm not sure how Bible say, Senyami yichra no we twetwem. It no be believe say. So first Senyami yichra pastor na. Pastor netima be kan no. Che Senyami eyimi efu. Yakopon e ma mani mu ngu aseda. Me da wase pastor. Me da wase pastor wa be kan we. Me so matina supem. Nyami shraw. Si wa be yi nsencheni ya Nyami yichra say. Say ni say ne betume. Say in Kofubia she says on me kume, me beda, no me kume. Yamisha pastor, Nancy Yakupon crona or yima no, meaning say Yakupon crony massadino, and happy. Madame I say. Fans, please remember me in prayers as well, as always. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. Poloo. I love you all. Kiss, kiss.